It's always best to clean your milk cooler when the product load in your cabinet is at its lowest level. Disconnect your cabinet from its power supply and remove all product from inside. Open all doors and allow the cabinet to reach room temperature. Remove all accessories from inside and wash them with a baking soda and warm water solution. Dry all accessories completely with a soft, clean cloth. Wash inside and outside surfaces with a solution of warm water and baking soda. Wipe down thoroughly with a damp cloth or sponge that has been soaked in clean water and wrung out thoroughly, and dry with a clean, soft cloth. Carefully wash all of the vinyl door gaskets with clean water, dry them, and check for any damage which may affect the seal. Return all accessories to their original locations. Reconnect the power. Wait at least 1 hour before reloading the product. Never use harsh detergents, cleaners, scouring powders, or chemicals when cleaning your model. Failure to dry the interior surfaces after cleaning may result in streaking or staining of the metal. Periodically, at least once a month, it is important to inspect the condenser coil for any debris or blockage that may have accumulated. If the condenser coil is dirty or dusty, disconnect the cabinet power supply. Use a stiff brush to wipe away any dirt and debris from the condenser fins. After cleaning, restore power to your cabinet. Aftermarket condenser filters are not permitted because they hinder airflow. Failure to keep the condenser clean and free from obstructions will cause excessive compressor load, reducing the performance of your unit. This can result in premature failure and will void your warranty. All forced air models have a built-in condensate vaporizer on the underside of the cabinet and are completely self-defrosting. The electric vaporizer is provided to eliminate condensation moisture only. Placing the floor drain hose in the electric vaporizer will create unsanitary and unpleasant odors. Water from the floor drain will also overflow the condensate pan and spill on the floor, creating unsafe conditions. When considering a Continental refrigerator unit, please contact the factory or visit our website at www.continentalrefrigerator.com for current product information, as our product specifications are subject to change without notice.